This video was shot in a controlled environment. Please use all appropriate personal protective equipment and take precaution when performing any of the actions taken in this video. The tools required for this install are a corded or cordless power drill with a 5/16" socket, safety gloves, glasses, needle nose plier and Phillips screwdriver, tape measure, and electrical tape. Your MicroMetl Genesis SRT Economizer with Belimo Zip Controller package comes with enthalpy and dry bulb sensors, self-tapping screws, and the appropriate wiring harnesses. Begin by removing the filter access panel and indoor coil access panel. Remove the unit control box panel. You must also remove the indoor blower access panel. You must also remove the inner control box panel. Install the economizer by placing it over the return air opening and securing it in place. For proper placement of your Belimo Zip Controller, measure 2 inches from the edge of the actuator side of the economizer. Before securing the bracket mount with 2 self-tapping screws, make sure it is flush with the front of the economizer. Be sure and mark the spot as there are no pre-drilled holes for the mounting bracket. Remove the factory jumper plug from the 12-pin harness and connect to the zip controller. With your needle nose pliers, remove the white wire labeled W1 from the zip controller. Cover the unused end with electrical tape as it will not be used in this installation. Connect the jumper to the W1 spot on the zip controller. Next, feed the jumper through the back of the unit into the mixed air chamber. A quick technical note. For all electromechanical applications, chassis 1 through 9, and LC units, chassis 1 and 2, jumper 9962-2022, as shown in the upcoming steps, is used. For chassis 3 through 9, LC units 07, the white wire is not removed from the PLC connector, but you will need an additional wire kit. Kit SRT 15CX for SRT units and kit-MRT69CX for MRT unit. Run the jumper along the mixed air chamber into the internal control box. Connect the end of the jumper to the internal control board on the terminal strip marked W1. Secure it with your Phillips head screwdriver. Be sure to secure the jumper along its path with zip ties according to industry best practices. Next, connect the actuator to the zip controller using the quick connects. Your Belimo Zip package has a number of sensing options. Dry bulb, which can be mounted in the outside air hood or in the indoor blower section, or enthalpy, which can be mounted in the outside air hood or the return air section. Secure the enthalpy sensor in the outside air hood with 2 self-tapping screws over the white label as shown. Using the included 5-wire harness, connect the red wire to the R section of the zip controller, the OAT plus and minus with the purple wires, the OAH plus with the brown wire, and the OA negative with the pink wire. After connecting the wires to the controller, run them through the grommet behind the actuator. Next, connect the wires to the corresponding spots on the enthalpy sensor. Attach the dry bulb sensor in the indoor blower section with 2 self-tapping screws. To connect the dry bulb sensor to the unit, use the pink male-to-male connector from the pink wire inside the unit to the red wire on the sensor. Then connect the purple wire from the unit to the green wire on the sensor. In order to set up and test your unit, enter your zip code. Complete the Economizer acceptance test. Verify your Economizer setup by watching the display controller and the front of the Economizer as it displays on the Zip controller. The controller will run through a timed compressor test and a damper closing test.
Thank you for watching MicroMetl Academy.